This is about taking two easy-to-make meals and adding Parmigiano Reggiano, which takes it to another level. To elevate this Mexican-style cornbread kit, use a lot of Parmigiano Reggiano, some smoked jalapeno pickles, a can of creamed sweet corn, and that's it. Hey presto. I'm going to make a really nice big skillet one with my cast iron pan, but if you want to, you can make cute little muffins as well. Put it in the oven and then make the most luxurious whipped butter with pesto. Delicious, and then it all melts together onto the bread, and it just makes the most incredible bread to serve with a winter comforting soup like a minestrone. Never chuck away the rinds of your Parmigiano Reggiano because they are worth their weight in gold. Either chuck them into your olive oil to infuse, get that nice kind of savory umami flavor in there, or I like to pop them in my soups or broths.